Welcome guys. This video's main objective is to visualize the three-dimensional river flow. Three-dimensional river flow is a technique used to visually represent the flow of water in three-dimensional. It could be river or stream. This technique is valuable for understanding river dynamics, planning flood management strategies, designing hydraulic structures, and studying environmental impacts. Let's add our both the TIFF files which are required for our 3D river flow visualization. It's here is our DEM and satellite image. Let's open and add, and here we can visualize the both satellite image and DEM data. It's our satellite image, and it's our DEM data. To perform this operation, we need a specific plugin called QGIS 23JS. I will show now how to install the QGIS 23JS plugin. First go to plugins tool and click on plugins and search in search bar, search for QGIS 2 3JS. It's here. Click on that and click on install plugin, and it's now successfully installed. Okay, and QGIS 23JS, and here is our plugin. There will be a new window pop up on the screen. We can visualize the data by checking it and go to properties of DEM data. Uncheck the enable shading to reduce the shade, and you can visualize better now. And uncheck the transparent background. It not looks appropriate, so I let it transparent background, and we have to increase the image width to 4096 so that we can now have better clear visualization than before, and apply. And then go to scene setting. Let's check by keeping it 2, and let's see what happens. No, it's not looks appropriate, so let it be as before. Now we are done with our visualization enhancement. Back to main interface, uncheck the DEM data. We have to go back and go to layer, and we have to add our both shape files which I already have. I am adding both water body and waterway shape file. We can clearly view river network shape file overlaid on satellite image. And I just wanna change the color, so that I go to symbology and change the color here. Blue color is appropriate for water bodies. And I do same for waterway. Go to simple line, change color to sky blue, and I increase the stroke width to 0.86. Yeah, it looks now perfect. Just apply and OK, and I head back to our plugin. Now we can have beautiful 3D dimensional river flow visualization. This is how you can make 3D river flow visualization. That's it from my side, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for such a more useful contents. Thank you for watching.